Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you all know that we have started revision of the syllabus of revision test 3.7. So today we are going to discuss long answer type questions from Should Wizard Hit Mummy from the chapter from your Flamingo. We will be discussing last year's board examination questions. Okay. So as we have been discussing the same since last few videos. So short answer type questions from this chapter we have already discussed. Now let us discuss long answer type question. So question number 1 I am going to write here. Describe Jack's style. Describe Jack's style. Describe Jack's style. Describe Jack's style of storytelling. Okay. Describe Jack's style of storytelling. Okay. So as we have seen in the story, the way Jack used to tell story to his daughter Jo since when she was 2 years old, but now the girl has grown up and she started understanding. Earlier she was not getting the story the way now she has started getting the story. So we have seen in the lesson, so Jack is the person whose style of storytelling expresses his art, wisdom, intelligence and cunningness. Storytelling has become a necessary ritual for him. He is accustomed to tell stories mostly in the evening and for Saturday naps to his little daughter Jo. He has, as you can see in your textbook, he has been telling the stories since she was of 2 years. All the stories are of his own creation and these revolve round an animal, Roger skunk. He changes them with a slight variation, but the basic tale remains the same. Each story describes a small creature named Roger skunk. Roger. So Roger, it might be Roger chipmunk or Roger skunk, Roger any rabbit, okay, etc. Every story has a wise owl and a wizard with a magic wand. Jack possesses the art of creating desired effect on the listener, that is, Jo, since he understands the pulse of his daughter, he speaks and acts in the way so as to keep her interest in act. He was perfect in the art of imitating the voice of the old wizard. He can narrate the story with the pace and tone on the occasion. He is always full of creative enthusiasm. Through his facial expressions, he can act like that of his characters that he invents in the story. He keeps the interest of his daughter very lively. Okay, so it's all about the part of the text from where we can write answer to this question. It has been asked in CBSE examination 2012. Okay. So it was the art of Jack for telling the story to his daughter Jo. Okay. So you should once again go through the text before answering the question. Then you all should rewrite the answers in your own words. Let me rub it and write down the next question. What was the problem that Roger Skunk? Question number 2. What was the problem that Roger Skunk? What was the problem that Roger Skunk was involved in? Was involved in. How did he get it solved? How did he get it solved? How did he get it solved? It has been asked in CBSE examination 2012. Okay. What was the problem that Roger Skunk was involved in? How did he get it solved? So as we have seen in the story, Roger Skunk had bad smell and he wanted to get rid of his bad smell. So he went to an owl. Owl suggested him that he should go to a wizard, and when he went to wizard, wizard changed his bad smell into the smell of roses. Okay, so how we have seen he was not having the money, then he was suggested by the wizard. He went and take 3 rounds of a well and got the remaining penny and paid. So go through the text and rewrite the answers on your own. Okay, let me rub it and write down the next question. Next question, question number 3rd. Describe Roger Skunk's trouble And what did he do to get rid of? It is similar as the last one. Describe Roger's skunks. Describe Roger skunks. Describe Roger's skunks trouble, and what did he do? Skunks trouble, and what did he do? And what did he do to get rid of it? To get rid of it. Okay. Describe Roger's skunk's trouble and what did he do to get rid of it. Okay. So answer to this question would be the almost same as the question number 2, which we have just discussed. So Roger's skunk lived with his mommy skunk in a deep forest. There came a foul smell from him. There came a foul smell from him. This resulted a great trouble for Roger's skunk. Whenever he went to play with the other animals, they would run away because of his bad smell. None would like to play with him, so he always remained desolate, alone, and troublesome. While playing, they would nickname him by calling Roger Stinky Skunk. So then he would stand alone, and tears would fall from his eyes. On the tip top of a very big tree, there lived a wise owl. He decided to see its advice for the solution. He walked very sadly and troubled. He approached to the tree in order to tell the problem. After having a patient hearing and deep meditation, the owl advised him to see wizard at his house. Roger's skunk reached there and told his problem. The wizard agreed to help him with his fee. He asked Roger's skunk what he wanted to smell like. Roger's skunk desired to smell like roses. With the help of his magic wand and spell, the wizard filled him with the smell of roses. So Roger's skunk was deeply happy for having smelled like roses. So it's all about it. Let me rub it and let us discuss after finishing this. Now we have discussed almost all the questions which have been asked in last 10 years from this chapter. Let us discuss some more questions on invitation writing. Okay, let's begin. So let us discuss more questions regarding informal invitations and replies. I am going to write this question on the board which has been asked in 2010. Your friend Rajat, your friend Rajat, 15 Mall Road, Dehradun, 15 Mall Road, Dehradun, 15 Mall Road, Dehradun, has invited you to attend, has invited you to attend, has invited you to attend, has invited you to attend the wedding ceremony of his sister, the wedding ceremony, the wedding ceremony of his sister, wedding ceremony of his sister Preeti. Write a reply in not more than 50 words. Write a reply in not more than 50 words. Write a reply in not more than 50 words, accepting the invitation, accepting the invitation you are curry. Okay. Your friend Rajat, 15 Mall Road, Dehradun, has invited you to attend the wedding ceremony of his sister Preeti. Write a reply in not more than 50 words, accepting the invitation you are curry. Okay. So let me rub it and write down the answer. Let us discuss the answer. It has been asked in CBSE examination 2010. So as you all know, first of all we have to write the address. So address is not given, you can write any address. Okay, like village and post Fulvaria like this. Okay, Varanasi, district Varanasi. This way also you can write the address. Okay, district Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and then we know date as it is 3rd February, 3 February 2021. Okay. After that, whom you are writing, dear, then the name of the person, dear Rajat. Okay. So received your kind invitation. Start writing this way. Received. Sorry. Received your kind invitation. Received your kind invitation to attend the wedding ceremony. To attend the wedding ceremony. To attend the wedding ceremony of your sister, scheduled to take place of your sister, which is scheduled to take place, which is scheduled to take place on any date 20th February, sorry, 20th February 2021. You have asked me to reach your place 2 days earlier. You have asked me to reach your place 2 days earlier. Place 2 days earlier. Let me rub it and write down the remaining part. Earlier to make purchases, earlier to help in purchases and to make other necessary arrangements. Okay, so received your kind invitation to attend the wedding ceremony of your sister, which is scheduled to take place on 20th February 2021. You have asked me to reach your place 2 days earlier to help in purchase, to help you, it should be to help to help you or to help your family, okay, in purchase and to make other necessary arrangements. Further, I accept your invitation and will reach. I accept your invitation and will reach on 20 before 2 days. So what is the date before 2 days? Will reach your place on 18th February. Will reach your place on 18th February. Okay? 18th February. Then complimentary clause with regards to your parents regards to your parents, your sincerely Kareem. Yours sincerely Kareem. Okay? Yes. Yours sincerely Kareem. So I accept your invitation and will reach your place on 18th February. With regards to your parents, yours sincerely Kareem. Okay? So this way we write an informal reply. So we have discussed all about informal invitations and replies, and during your part 1 of revision test 3 we discussed formal invitations and reply. Okay, so I have also shown you during online classes with the help of PPT what is the difference between formal invitation and informal invitation. So please go through them, practice them, and practice the questions also which are given in various videos. They are very helpful for you. Okay, so let me write more questions for practice which have been asked in various years examination. You have received an invitation of a festive party from your friend write a reply to the same. Okay, write a reply to the same. So must write answers to all the questions which are given, which are discussed here, and you can mail me. So it's all about it. In next video we will be discussing more about the remaining syllabus of 3.7. So thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.